Well, hello, welcome back to Good Luck Colt, where we focus on budget-minded vehicle fabrication and reviews on the tools that we use. And sometimes we buy tools off Craigslist and it turns around and bites us in the butt. So today we're going to be fixing this drill press that we bought off Craigslist.
Alright, so here's where we are. The previous owner replaced the column with a piece of Schedule 40 pipe. That outside diameter is 2.875. The casting inside the drill head is 2.81 to 2.806, so it's got a slight taper to the casting, which doesn't surprise me at all coming out of Taiwan. What our plan is, we're going to have to machine down a new sleeve for the end to slide into Schedule 40 tube and slide into the head correctly so that there's no play, there's no slop inside the casting. So this is what we came up with. We've turned this on the lathe. We had the slug of metal here that we turned down, and we've got the side that's going to go into the casting on the drill head and the side that's going to sleeve down into the tubing. We've got a shoulder here that's going to sit right along the base of the casting here and maybe provide a little bit more support, and then when we weld it over here on the tubing, it'll keep the weld off of the casting. So that should provide a lot of support. All right, moment of truth. She is not flexing, solid. So that's a win. Well, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I'm gonna get back to work on this project. Keep it out of the bar pit.